Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create Facebook Reels longer than 3 minutes. So recently, Instagram's Adam Mosseri mentioned that Instagram now allows Reels up to 3 minutes. So in this post, he said that they no longer have that 90 seconds limit. So you can now post longer Reels up to 33 minutes, and you can also use this to your advantage on Facebook. So you can just create a photo story or any story here. It will be better if you can use it on your mobile, but I have found some loophole that you can use currently. So you can upload a Facebook reel longer than 90 seconds. So try this. You need to create a video and then select add to your story. So once you have a video, you can just create it and select the video you have, and then click on the video, just select that. This will upload to your Instagram directly, alright? So this will in this format you can upload it on Instagram directly, and you can share this reel on Facebook. This is where the magic happens. When you share your Instagram reel on Facebook, the 90-second limit will go away and you can upload reel up to 3 minutes on Facebook. So all you have to do is go to your Instagram account and then just share a reel. Let Just go to your reel section and you can upload a reel here, or you can just take a reel and share it on your Facebook. And that way you can easily post longer content on your Facebook reels up to 3 minutes. Give it a try and let me know if it works for you. And I'll see you in the next video.